Good morning, guys. My name is Jaap. I'm with Semtech, and we provide the technology and products behind LoRa. We work in close relationship with many partners in both WBA and LoRa Alliance field, so I'm very glad to be here. So if we look at the developments in the IoT market and all the predictions, we're now seeing the first traction. And it's quite clear that in order to achieve 50 billion or 75 billion connected devices, you will have multiple radio technologies. So the synergy between LoRa and the WBA membership is that we both operate in the unlicensed band, which gives a very democratic view on who can address the market, because you don't need to purchase any license or any spectrum. I think the convergence also will happen in terms of the device side, which is what we're already seeing, people developing solutions that have both Wi-Fi as well as LoRa radio capabilities. So the multipath basically is resolved at the access point, and then in the cloud, where the data at the end ends up, people can build the most powerful solutions, having multipath technologies driving the data stream from the edge into the cloud. Yeah, the LoRa Alliance and WBA have signed a liaison agreement. In this liaison agreement, it's quite clear that we have a mutual vision on the IoT market. And in order to give that some hands and feet, I don't know how to say this in English correctly, this really means that we participate on both sides in the working groups to make sure that we have not only the same vision but the same execution, so that the ecosystems behind both alliances can benefit from certification programs that are aligned, from RAN developments that are aligned, from the core where we have an aligned vision, and at the end to basically simplify the market access and drive a shorter time to market for solutions that are needed today. So basically we have a twofold mission. The first mission is to make sure that we are aligned on a technological and strategic level. So that is, let's say, the working groups in the WBA, where Semtech now participates in the IoT working group, and we're actively pushing a paper and working on a paper that talks about multiple technologies in one access point. So that is mostly in the first few days of these events, but then there's always a kind of a marketplace, an open day behind it with a very attractive program, and that's where the networking starts, basically engaging with commercial parties to engage in commercial deals. At the end of the day, we're all here to earn our living for our companies, and this happens, let's say, through networking and cutting new deals in new territories, because IoT is just at the beginning of its lifespan.